Open the door, and here are your waves. That's the view and the sound from our Junior Suite Seaview room at the adults-only, all-inclusive Bahia Principe in Samana, Dominican Republic. Coming up in this video, I'll give you the pros and cons of the room and let you know why this tucked-away boutique accommodation should be on your bucket list to get away for rest and relaxation. And finally, we are here. Hey, it's Kendall B, and this channel is all about showing you great rooms, great views, and great food when you travel. And this is a tour of our Junior Suite Seaview room at the Bahia Principe in Samana, Dominican Republic. When you start the journey like this, shh, quiet, you know you're in for a peaceful time. So let's bring you into the room. So first, of course, you have your key that turns on your air and your lights. Plenty of switches around here too. Lots of light switches, as well as your do not disturb or please clean the room. You have a single sink with your bath amenities, your shampoo and conditioner, and your hand soap. You also have a couple glasses for rinses after you do the brushing of the teeth. There you also have a hair dryer and a nice up-close makeup mirror so you can see what's going on with the face. You have a combo shower and jacuzzi tub. So you can run the water, turn the jets on, and have a nice romantic or relaxing jacuzzi tub bath, or you can have a rainfall or handheld shower. Now here's the thing about the rainfall and or handheld shower. Because the shower glass only comes about halfway out, unless you are the neatest shower person ever, you're liable to get water on the floor. So if you're right underneath the rainfall and you can keep things contained within here, you might be good to go. If you decide to use the handheld, most likely you're gonna get water on the floor. So that's just something to keep in mind as you get clean. And there, of course, is your toilet. Plenty of closet space too. Again, lived in about a week, so all of our stuff is all up in here, but you have plenty of closet space. You have a safe as well. You can put your suitcase, your luggage in there. And then you have your closet. Again, lived in, plenty of things in here, but you have a place for your hang-up items, your shoes down at the bottom. There is a mini ironing board, and there's also an iron, and there's also laundry here. So if you don't want to have to wash when you get back home, you can have laundry done for an extra cost, and they have the prices laid out for you. Here is your coffee bar with your ice bucket and a tall and small glass, and then your coffee. And from what I've been told, because I don't drink coffee, my wife says this Santo Domingo coffee, which she brought home from Aruba last year, is very good. And you can do it a couple cups at a time. You have your bottled water to use. Here's your fridge, which is stocked on the daily, depending on what you use. You have your Presidente, of course, Presidente beer, and water, sparkling water, flat and sparkling. They have Coke and Pepsi products, and this new orange soda I had never heard of before, which is really good, Red Rock. Comment below if you know all about Red Rock orange soda. It's really good. Kind of reminds me of Crush. Your Lay's chips, and of course your bottled liquor right here. If you need it, little tiny bottles, and they will refresh that every day for you too. Right here is your scan for room service, which is 24 hours a day at this all-inclusive. And that's a pretty neat thing. So it's a limited selection. You'll have pizzas, you'll have sandwiches for breakfast, you have pastries and coffee and juices. But if you just want to hang in the room and not use the buffet or any of the a la carte restaurants, you can use that room service menu. We now bring you into the main part of the bedroom, and here's your king bed. I believe it's set up where you can get a king bed or 2 doubles, 5 pillows to start off with, and then, well, of course, we've moved some pillows over from the couch and otherwise to kind of fluff up things. But your bed pretty standard. You have lights on both sides of the bed, and you have access to the lights right here to turn them on, turn them off. There's your phone to contact the front desk or the spa if you need to. Now here we go with the outlet situation. As I mentioned, you may need to bring extra cords or extra battery packs because there are not that many outlets in this room. There's not one on this side, there's not one on that side. There's an outlet here on the wall, which is kind of far away from the bed. Again, at 110 volt, and recommended that you bring some travel, some overseas type electrical outlets if you want to make sure you're going to get the right kind of plug-in. But I have an extended one from Anchor that can plug in to hook up my USB-A and my USB-C. Definitely think about bringing those because the plug space is very minimal. If you have to work at all, that's a definite. You definitely need to make sure you have extra plugs when you're on the road. But you do have, on both sides, you have drawers that you can pull out and open up and see where you can get some storage in there. My wife has put some of her stuff in her drawer. You do have some US channels. You have CBS out of Miami. You have ABC from New York. ESPN is here, but it's a lot of ESPN, Cinco, Cuatro, all those other ESPNs. And you're gonna see plenty of soccer and baseball. We just so happen to be here with the NBA playoffs going on, and because they're on ESPN, you can see them, but you're also going to see plenty of other sports that you may not see at home all the time. So just keep that in mind. This is not like having regular ESPN in the United States. They give you towels for the pool and the beach, and you can change those towels whenever you want to. If they get too wet, you can go down and change them at the towel station. You have a blanket here in case you get a little chilly. You don't really need it because the sheets on the bed are quite thin because, I don't know, it tends to be very warm here all the time. So you really don't need a lot of cover unless you're just a very cold-natured person. That's why the blanket is separate. And you do have space underneath your drawer on the bedside to put things there as well. There's your thermostat to control your heat, and you also have a fan which helps with the airflow too. So you can turn your fan up, turn it down, or completely turn it off. It's up to you. And then this is the couch area, which is nice to kind of sit back, relax. You can eat here if you have some room service, or you can just take in some of the sunrise and maybe a little bit of the sunset, although in this room, sunset's harder to see. Nice little art, nice light right there, another light here to light up things. And here is your other 110 plug in the room. And my wife had to work a little bit on this trip, so this is where she plugged in. This is your money shot. Imagine waking up to this every single morning. Just pull back the curtains and boom, there you are. Open the door, and here are your waves. We have had the door open pretty much every single night. And when you have the door open, it does turn off the air conditioning. However, give me the waves over the AC anytime because they put me to sleep. The best sleep I've had in years. Now here, where we are on the F side of the building, the F building, the beach is right down here. You have two ways to get to the beach. And the waves are a bit louder on this side than they are on the other side of the complex. So if you want more waves, ask for the F building. If you want fewer waves, you can get one of the other places. And of course, you got the patio chairs. There's the stairs down to the beach, also the stairs right there up to the pool. And keep in mind, there are a lot of stairs, just so you know. Do you have anything to add? No. Okay. It's my silent partner. She has nothing to add. She's just chilling, taking in this view.
Thanks for watching this room tour. In my next video, you will see the resort and why I want to keep this place secret from everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great rooms, great views, and great food. Thanks for traveling along.